Hello Stampers, Kelly Acheson at astampabove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. Today for my Wednesday tip video, I just want to touch on something that I think is very frustrating. I've been getting a lot of questions lately about my videos. Kelly, where is that video that shows how to use the bow maker? Or I saw a video the other day where you used the XYZ stamp set and now I can't locate it again. So while I understand your frustration, because this happens to me too, where I see a video and then I can't find it again, but I know how to do a search for it. So today's Wednesday tip video is going to show you how you can search for videos on YouTube. I hope this helps you. Let's take a look. Okay, you guys, so I have just opened up a new window. I'm just on a Google page, and I am going to go to YouTube. Maybe if I spell it right, that'll be helpful. YouTube.com. Now, if you're searching for a particular person and their channel, you're going to type in their name right here. And I'm going to search for me. And here I come right here. This is my channel. So you're going to click on my name. And now what I want you to do is click on videos. Once you get to this screen, you're going to see that I have over 500 videos here to share with you. Now, how do you find a video that you've lost? Well, here's a good tip. If you remember part of the name of the video or a product that was used in it, perhaps that was in the title, you will be able to go right here and click on the magnifying glass to start a search. And I have a lot of people ask me about the bow jig and a video on how to use that. So I know that the title contains the word bow. So I'm going to type that in there and then I'm going to hit return. That's going to bring up all my videos that have the word bow in them. And of course, this is the video that shows you how to make the bow jig. And you're just going to click on that and it's going to take you right there.
If you write anything on your computer.
Okay, let's go back and see if we can do another search here. And again, remember, when you click on videos, it brings up all my videos on the page. There are hundreds of them. Now, another good way to search for a project, if you don't remember the name of the video, you can just scroll down here, and I almost always have pictures of what that video is about on the cover. So you can look through here. I know I just had somebody ask me about the apple stamp set. And here is that card that shows how to stamp the apples. And then I also changed them into peaches. But you can just look through here and it's like, where is that little stationery box that she made? Oh, right there. Click on the video. It'll take you right there. Or what was that tip she gave us about opening up the ribbon and not stabbing yourself? Here it is. Or I know she just had a video about storage. Let's type in the word storage and see what comes up. Okay, here's paper storage. Here's where I talked about marker storage. Here's 6x6 paper storage. Here's my 8.5 by 11 paper storage. Here was my new stamp room way back when I did it. And here's some more storage solutions. So I've got a whole bunch of videos. I didn't even know I had this many that show tips about storage. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you because I know for myself, it can be like midnight or so. And holy cow, I know that if I email somebody to ask them a question, they're probably not going to answer me. And I want to know my answer now. We are very impatient. And I totally get that. So I wanted to share this with you so it can help you in your searches or alleviate your frustration from having to wait for those answers. Always feel free to email me or leave a comment on my videos. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you don't hear back from me, it's possible that I missed your comment or question. Throw it at me again. I don't intentionally ignore people. So what did you guys think? You think this is going to be helpful? I always like to share helpful tips on how to navigate the internet because we're stampers, right? We're not necessarily techie people. And I'll tell you, in the amount of time that I've been doing videos and online with my blog, I have learned so much. And I'm self-taught. I have never taken any classes showing me what, where, why, how. So I can tell you that I've dealt with a tad bit of frustration too. All right, you guys, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. That helps my rankings on YouTube. Also, you can click right over here and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't want to miss anything I have coming out. If you'd like to visit my blog, I have a lot of fabulous ideas on there. Or if you need to place an order, you can click right up here. That's going to take you right over to my blog at www.astampabove.com. Now, if you use the host code that's located in the right-hand column of my blog, that'll give you some special perks when you place an order. And if you don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, hey, I'd love to earn your business. Pop me an email at kelly@astampabove.com and I'd be happy to send you our current catalogs. And I have a new online class coming out Friday using the first frost bundle. I'll be sharing a video with you where I'll be making a card, and then I'll give you all the information on how to order the bundle from me and get the class for free, or you can order the class for $20. All the details will be on my blog. Each card has its own video, and there are a few written instructions along with photographs. I hope you guys will check that out. Check back Friday. I'll be sharing something really pretty because I don't know if you could make something that isn't pretty with that first frost bundle, right? You guys have yourself a wonderful Wednesday. Bye-bye.